All right, here we are with the Scott Fusion. Kind of a review as we go. So yeah, this is sort of my like initial impressions. Yeah, and how we like it. And to say the least, I'm loving it. This thing is kind of a game changer, if you ask me. Been shooting an index for 4 or 5 years. So we're gonna shoot 6 arrows at the bear here. Let's see, does that peep look good? Let's go center 12. Oh, low, we might be in there. Center 12 again. Let's see if we can get that shot up. Better, much better. Really like the click. I mean, it just kind of tricks the brain in a sense. Been shooting a lot the past 3 or 4 days. I mean, I'm so in love with this thing. I'm fucking shooting every chance I get. Let's go center again. Let's see if we can't stack one up right next to the other one. Not sure if that was under. Looked like it might have went under. But I'm definitely gonna go for upper 12 here. Let's go upper. Same thing, let's go up again. Woo. That wind was pushing me. I was fighting that one, but I could even see it kick the arrow out. The arrow definitely hit the target, knock left. Upper. Nice. So yeah, overall, what a badass release. I'm really happy with this.